The leaders of 2 Ohio counties walked out of a courthouse and into a landmark settlement in the United States opioid epidemic.
We are a poster child. Cuyahoga County has seen thousands of people die in the last several months, in the last several years, excuse me, and it's a tragedy, and Summit County was no different.
The settlement with 4 companies is worth $260 million. Critics call that pennies on the dollar. But Ohio's Summit and Cuyahoga counties call it money they need to cope with the crisis now.
People are dying now. We have to deal with these issues now. So the fact that we were able to get the money in a short time frame is very helpful, and that's one of the motivations for settling this.
The deal settles claims against distributors AmerisourceBergen, Cardinal Health, and McKesson, and the Israeli opioid manufacturer Teva. In a statement, the distributor said, while the companies strongly dispute the allegations made by the 2 counties, they believe settling the bellwether trial is an important stepping stone to achieving a global resolution and delivering meaningful relief. Teva declined to comment. The pharmacy company Walgreens Boots Alliance did not reach a settlement, saying in a statement that the company never manufactured the drugs nor sold them to so-called pill mills. The partial settlement by 2 Ohio counties came at 1 a.m. Cleveland time, hours before the start of the first federal trial of drug makers and distributors. That trial combines thousands of cases brought by local communities across the U.S. against companies blamed for the opioid crisis that has led to 400,000 overdose deaths over 2 decades. The settlement with the Ohio counties could serve as a benchmark for a larger $48 billion settlement with the drug companies that would end the federal prosecution entirely. The question local communities are asking is that enough money?
Is there enough money to fix this problem? No. No, this is going to take a society effort.
The companies did not admit wrongdoing, but communities in the suit say they overprescribed and deceptively advertised the drugs and failed to flag unusually high numbers of prescriptions. Settlement money will be used for treatment and alternatives to prosecution for those addicted to opioids. At the Cleveland courthouse, the federal case moves forward as drug makers and distributors negotiate to come to a settlement that is expected to be the biggest opioid settlement ever. Hendren, Aljazeera.